check out all of our future videos that we'll be putting up as well as some of our previous ones. So let's talk about today's video. तो आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? Well, आप लोग जब घर में घूमते हैं तो पैरों में धूल तो बहुत लगती है, right? Especially if you're living on the first or second floor and there's construction work going on just outside your house. It can get messy and dirty, no matter how much you clean it, right? The floor is always dusty. So I thought I'd give a try to making some bedroom slippers. So let's go check it out. So to start, I've taken 2 cardboard cutouts. I traced out my slippers on it and I've cut it according to the shape. And if you guys remember, and I've seen the last video of the engagement ring platter, I had this cloth remaining from that. So I'm going to use that for my slippers. Next, we trace the same shape onto the cloth. Only we leave a little extra because we'll need it to stick it onto the cardboard. एक बार ट्रेस करके हो जाए, we'll just cut it out and leave it aside and move on to the next step. So I have gone ahead and already cut out the top portion of the slippers. तो इसको मैंने ऐसे एक oval shape में काट दिया. This is going to cover our feet. So basically that's how it's going to look. Now let's get working. So we take our cardboard base that we cut out और ये जो कपड़ा हम लोगों ने ट्रेस करके काटा है, we'll stick it directly onto the cardboard. So ये एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग ने जो काटा है, the 1 inch extra that we have kept on the cloth, वो ऐसे फोल्ड करके हम लोग इस बेस पे चिपका देंगे. But it's not time to do that yet. We still have to add the foam. तो सिमिलरली जैसे हम लोग ने क्लॉथ को ट्रेस किया, हम लोग एक फोम शीट अबाउट 2 mm थिक फोम शीट को ट्रेस करके काट देंगे इन द सेम शेप. And that's done. Now let's bring in our cardboard cutouts. और ये अभी foam sheet जो है हम लोग directly with glue gun और any adhesive that you prefer, उससे directly हम लोग इस cardboard पे चिपका देंगे. And like I always say, while using a glue gun, please be very careful because it is very hot और उससे बहुत सारे चटके लग सकते हैं. So our base is ready. Now it's time to attach the cloth. तो similarly जैसे foam attach किया है वैसे ही with the help of a glue gun we attach the cloth on top of the foam sheet now. Repeat the process on the other pair as well. Now ये जो extra cloth है उसमें हम लोग थोड़े ऐसे cuttings करेंगे so that it is easier to attach onto the base. So the top part of our base is done. Now let's move on to the portion that covers our feet. So I've cut out the foam sheet in the shape of the cloth as well, and like the base of the slippers, we have left a little extra cloth. Now let's attach that with some glue. So both of them are almost done. Let's see how it fits onto our base. So the next step is to add some extra cloth on the other side of the foam sheet. So I've taken a yellow colored cloth and I'm just going to stitch the base of it. So stitch it carefully around the edges and just leave some portion so that we can overturn the entire thing. Make sure that your stitching is very nice and thorough. So I'm doing a blanket stitch. You can do a running stitch as well. Now I've stitched the bottom part and halfway through the sides. Now let's turn that over so that the foam is embedded between these two sheets. So our upper part of the slipper is almost ready. We'll seal this up as well with some stitching. So once that is completely stitched, let's bring in our slipper base और इसको हम directly इसके ऊपर attach कर देंगे. So you can stitch it or you can stick it, but I'm going to do the glue gun way as usual. So we'll start attaching this in sections. तो पहले हम लोग सिर्फ टॉप पार्ट है उसको थोड़ा ग्लू लगा के स्लिपर बेस पे चिपका देंगे and then gradually we'll do the entire part. साइड का चिपकाने से पहले मेक श्योर दैट यू मेजर इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर फुट बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट इट टू बी टू लूज और टू टाइट. इस फर की वजह से थोड़ा ये टीडियस हो सकता है बट ट्रस्ट मी इट इज़ वर्थ द एफर्ट. Press it thoroughly on all sides so that it is nice and secure. और कोई अगर आपको गैप्स दिखे तो ग्लू गन से उसे भर दीजिएगा. Now let's move on to the bottom part of our base. So for this I have made another foam cutout of the slipper shape और उसको मैंने येलो कलर के कपड़े से चिपका दिया है and we stick this directly onto the base of the slipper. And my pair of bedroom slippers are all ready. This was a super easy DIY project, wasn't it? Just make your own slippers at home with things that you already have lying around in the house. Time to try it on. And they fit perfectly and they are so comfy. So we're done with today's video and my beautiful comfy bedroom slippers are all ready. And I'm so happy with them because they have turned out really nice and soft on both sides. And I know कि market में मिलते हैं, but जब खुद का बनाया खुद पहनते वो एक अलग ही feeling है, right? So I'm going to try wearing them once more. Ooh, cute, aren't they? Well, so I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, do give us a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. So until next time, this is Dafty Dames signing off. I'm going to go roam around in my slippers at home now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.